Hey everybody, so this is kind of a test for me to see how this works out. I'm going to try to do one of those swipe things that I've seen other people do on their videos. So I've got a layer of paint down here. It's this Artist Loft Flow acrylic mixed in with some Floetrol. And I just kind of laid it down with a palette knife. And now I've got some colors that I'm going to run across here, and I honestly have no idea how this is going to turn out. So we can all be here for it, right? So we got a bit of purple, some funky orange. We'll put that right on top of it. And some limey lime. This may look totally disgusting. I have no idea. That's the fun part, right? And then this really pretty pearlescent pink. And I think we'll run that around the outer edges here. And in the middle. I like pink. Alright, so there's our goo down. And here's my swipe paint. It's some of that the base layer actually with some silicone mixed in. And the way I've seen people do it is, hold that, is I'm going to pour it out in this plate. And we're going to swipe paper towels through it. And then swipe the paper towel across our mess and see how it turns out. So, I have my little fancy paper towel strips here. I'm going to just lightly spray the ends so they have a bit of weight to them. And I'm going to drape it through. Can you see that? Yep. Drape it through our paint and then swipe down. Ooh, I see stuff happening. Not happening very far down, but let's see. Let's try that again. We'll do a little spray and run it through this. And let's move it up a little higher this time, I think. Try to do another swipe. This is pretty cool, I have to admit, even though I'm not getting much at the bottom. Not too bad for first time. Alright, I need a little narrow piece. Here we go. Oh man, I'm getting some freaking cool looking cells there. Let's try this right here. Maybe if I pull down, I don't know, slower? Yeah, I seem to be getting more color coming down right there. That may have been a spot. Oh, there was white down. Okay, now I've got to somehow turn this baby around. Let's see here. You know, this is pretty cool. So let's go for the second side. Little spray, little dip. And our paint. And we'll swipe right there. Okay. Wow. That's pretty cool. I think I've got a few more left here. I have enough paint left. Right there. Okay. I think I have one more piece left. Yes, I do. Look at that. Nice little swipe. I'll take We have just enough paint here to do one last swipe. I think so. I think we can do it. Oops. And there we go. I don't know if there was quite enough paint left on that last one, but that's okay. Oh, it's so pretty. Alright, y'all, hang on. I'm gonna go wash my hands and grab the torch. Now we're gonna hit it with the torch, see if we can... I mean, I don't know that we need any more cells than what we got, but hey. Let's give it a try. At least it'll pop the bubbles. So this is my tiny little torch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I see bubbles popping at least. Yeah. You don't want to get too close because you'll end up scorching your painting. It's definitely... Alright, I think that's good. Now let's get a closer look, shall we? Oh, I'm happy with that. Although, can't see it for the light, can you? That's pretty. So, we'll come back to it once it's completely dry and see how it turned out. But I don't think that's too bad for a first time. I really like this side. Thought of was I've seen people in their videos add some swirls to the finished product, and I think I'm gonna try that because it looks so easy and ooh, yeah. Well, I hope that fills back in. Maybe I need to be a little more gentle on the swirling. Yeah. Swirl gently. Oh yeah. Especially like right through here. Oh, that's pretty. See if I can fill that hole back in. Yeah, see what happened right there. Swiped a little too hard and kind of removed all the paint, didn't I? Oh well, beginners, right? I wonder if I could fix it. If I were to put a little paint down, am I about to completely ruin this thing? Maybe. Well, teeny bit of paint down. And where's that pink? Let's see if we can get that pink down. Okay. Still have a bit of this other paint. I have just enough to swipe one tiny little piece of paper towel. I think we can do it. Can we do it, folks? Can we do it? I think we can do it. Oops. Sorry about that. Alright. Here we are going in. Now we're going in for the swipe. Gently, gently. Oh, I think I fixed it. Yay! I fixed it. I fixed it. Okay. Torch that little spot. Oh yeah. Cool. And then then we can swirl this little spot. No one will ever know, will they? It's our secret. Okay. Alright, it's been 24 hours since we did our painting, and yesterday I forgot to talk about the colors I used. So I used, these are all Liquitex basics: Prism Violet, Cad Orange Hue, Brilliant Yellow Green, and this is Glowing Peach Arteza. Anyway, here is our finished product, our finished painting. I think it looks fabulous. I'm super happy with it. The pink really catches the light nicely, and it dried nicely. I've had previous ones where they look kind of gross when they were dry, but this one actually looks lovely. I'm really, really pleased with this. So this was my very first swipe painting, and I am super pleased with it. So anyway, if you like this video, there's hopefully more to come. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Have a great day, guys. We'll see you soon.